Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change price color in Shopify. So first of all, you want to go to your online store and on themes, and then what type of theme you're using. You want to click these three dots, and then you want to edit code. When you go here, you want to find on assets here, base information. Now, when you're here, you want to go to the bottom right here, and you want to paste the code right here at the bottom. And the code I will show you just in a second. You will go to pastebin.com and copy this code. Now you go back here and you paste the code here. Now, this is the colors. They are basically say how it will look like. Now you can actually go ahead to Google, and now you can see what the color it will be. If you want a little bit different color, you can do this, and you will see this code here which you want to copy and replace this right here. You can also change this color, but let's see what it is right now. Again, it's almost the same color, so we can leave it like so, and you basically just save it and you can preview the store. Now, when you go to your product, as you can see, the price color has changed from black to red. And that's how you do this. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.